Okay, so this one just finished, and this is how they look comparing the two. This was with all the factory settings to the feed rate. Basically all I changed was the feed rate, and we'll get a close-up of that. You can see all the gaps, and this is the new one with I upped the feed rate. I think it was 94 originally the number was, and I went to 120. You get a few little buggers hanging on, but scrape them off pretty easy. Much smoother appearance, so I'm liking it compared to that. See the ends here too. This is a keychain, kind of an articulated keychain arm.